Hi guys, this is Inil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So guys, right now I am going to Surat. Successfully completed Maharashtra trip. So now I am going to Gujarat. So while going, I have seen like jaggery here. So I'll show you exactly how it looks and how they'll prepare jaggery. ये क्या है भैया? Huh? So you can see here jaggery. So they are selling here directly. They are making there. You can see there. They are making and they are selling here. It's a pure. Yeah, it's a pure. They are making. They are preparing there and they are selling here. आपका नाम क्या है भैया? आकाश. आकाश. So Akash is there now. He'll help me to show that how exactly they'll make jaggery. You can see they are preparing here jaggery. So you can see there they are crushing their sugar canes directly. You can see. They are crushing sugar cane from here. See, you can see the juice. It's coming here. 1 second, I'll show you that also. Wow. See, this is how they'll make jaggery, exactly pure jaggery. वो क्या है भैया? Same है? Okay, you can see now. And they're heating there. You can see. ये फर्स्ट स्टेप है क्या? वो फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप, फोर्थ स्टेप. Okay. So first they'll take the juice here. Next you can see, I think they are taking that mud and all from the juice and they are boiling here. Heat किधर से आया भैया? Heat? Okay. Down they kept something, I think, for heat. See, they are boiling now here. You can see now after boiling he's he's keeping in this line. You can see. So all this jaggery liquid, see, it's coming here. They kept two parts here and here. See there. That is, I think, for second. Wow. Okay. Now you can see the second and third one. They'll add in this again. So again I'm telling here, from here to here, again from here to here, third step. That is the last step, fourth step. They'll boil it there completely. So then they'll take in this in that line here, and they'll make jaggery like this. You can see here. ये क्या है भैया? हाँ, इसका है. ओके. पीने के लिए. ओके, पीने के लिए. ओके. हाँ. ओके. चपाती में. Wow, they'll eat on chapati. They'll put on this on chapati and they'll eat this. Cool. Backside also down exactly how it looks. Wait, we'll go and we'll check. You can see there are so many corns are there. Okay, okay. You can see here, from here they'll put fire and all down. No problem. Okay, I can go, I think. Ah, okay. You can see here they'll keep, fire to boil that, jaggery, I mean sugarcane juice. Let me go little bit inside. Wow, you can see here. Seriously, I really don't know these procedures, and the first time I'm seeing. Okay, we'll come out. Okay. See all this, like waste, she'll put here for fire. You can see it's a corn. Yeah, you can see their fire. So continuously they'll keep for fire, then they'll boil like this. You can see here. Nice, no? Okay, bhaiya, thank you. I'll leave. Thanks, bro. I'm leaving from here. Such a nice place, such a nice people. They showed me. You can see there are so many sugar canes out there. While going Surat, I have seen all this stuff. So then I stopped my bike here. Then I thought to cover. Bangalore se. Bangalore se. Pura India. Pura India. Surat. Yeah. Thanks. Huh? By evening I'll reach. Evening. So they will sell that, like jaggery here. You can see the jaggery. Okay, bhaiya, bye.